Okay, today's puzzle, how much can they see? Today's challenge. What is the least number of guards needed to completely guard this gallery of bovine art? The guards cannot move and every part of the gallery must be in the line of sight of at least one guard. Okay. So if the gallery is of this shape, how many guards do we need? Okay. So what are the options do we have? 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you want to try this on your own, please pause here. Rest, you can continue with me. So how does one approach a problem like this? And what are the tools that we have? So the way I do it is try to, move this into some kind of an editing tool. For me, it would be the old Microsoft Paint. But before that, let me take a screenshot of this. And once I have it, let me open Paint. Let me paste it here. Okay. So how many guards do we need? So the first thing that I would like to try is to find the smallest section which has a lot of corners where you need at least one. So if you see here, right, this is a pretty huge section. So anyone who is standing here can see all of this except this. Anyone who is standing here can see all of this, 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 can see all of this and this and this. But the smallest section which looks weird to me is this particular section. So let us look at this spot which looks like a blind spot, right? So for someone to look at this, what is the range they have, right, to stand? So the way we do it is we try to draw a line from here, which is following the path of that line. Okay. So someone has to be inside this area to see this particular point. But again, we have a similar point here too. So we need to draw one more line to see where do they have to stand. Okay. So someone, if they stand right here, they can actually see this whole place. Great. So if it is always better to have them closest to the outer area so that we can cover more of the area. So this would be one spot for sure. So he can also cover this area. Do you see? Because if I draw a line from here, you see all the places he can see. He can see here, 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 and he can see till here, and he can see till here. Okay. So the only blind spot for him would be this and this. Similarly, on this side as well, for him, the blind spot would be this. And if he looks at this and this area. So since these two, is there a place where we can cover these two areas? I do not think so. So we need two more people. So one probably standing somewhere here. So we can draw a line again to make sure that we don't lose this loop. Yeah, so the person at least has to stand to the right side of this line to make sure he covers all of this. If he stands here, he'll not be able to see these corners. So if we draw one more line from here, yeah, so someone who stands here can see all of this and all of this. So let us put him right in the middle. Let's mark X. So one guy is standing here, one guy is standing here, and one guy is standing here, right? So we have all three covered, right? So let us verify once again. So the guy who is standing here can see all of this, all of this, all of this. Okay, the only places he cannot see are this part, and because he can only see till here and then here, so he doesn't know what is happening here. Similarly, he can see till here, he doesn't know what is happening here. Same goes on this side. But the guy who is standing here can actually see every part of this, right? We can even see this till here, and the other is covered here. So the answer should be 3. Let's see, 3. Submit, and that's the right answer. And this is the solution from Brilliant. We can begin identify 10 reflex angles. Oh, I got too technical. So this is the answer. Thank you.